मास्क उतारो जी में आप सबका स्वागत है। नमस्कार, मैं पायल बिहाना। मैं इतनी बोर हो चुकी हूँ पॉलिटिक्स डिस्कस करके, और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर और ईरान एंड इजराइल एंड अमेरिका एंड ट्रम्प एंड हिज एंटिक्स। मैं बहुत बोर हो चुकी थी। मैंने कहा हमारे और भी मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं लाइफ में, वो है जो हमारी सोसाइटी फेस कर रही है। अब आप बोलोगे कि हम तीनों बैठ के यहाँ मॉरल पुलिसिंग करें। हम यहाँ मॉरल पुलिसिंग नहीं कर रहे। अगर हम आपके वो कल्चर को, जो आप कैंसल कल्चर बोलते हो, उसको कैंसिल कर दो, तो आप अपने कोई स्पीच कोड्स हैं उनको हमारे पे फोर्स करते हो और हमें आइडेंटिटी पॉलिटिक्स कराते हो, तो अगर मैं उसका उसके अगेंस्ट बोलती हूँ या आई ऑब्जेक्ट टू इट, तो दैट्स माय फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच। पर अगर आप मेरे को फोर्स कर रहे हो कि मैं आप जो कर रहे हो उसको एक्सेप्ट करूं इस सोसाइटी में रह के, जो हमारा कल्चर है, अगेन फिर आप कहोगे वो मॉरल पुलिसिंग में आ गया। मॉरल पुलिसिंग नहीं कर रही, पर हर चीज अपने अपने कल्चर में ही अच्छी लगती है, अपने अपनी जगह पे अच्छी लगती है। आप किसी क्राउडेड जगह जा रहे हो जहां पे पीपल हुआ कंजर्वेटिव ऑर्थोडॉक्स, जिसने ये नहीं देखा, और आप बेकार की चीजें कर रहे हो, द काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ यू आर वेयरिंग और समथिंग, एंड इफ समबडी टीजेस यू देन यू कांट ऑब्जेक्ट। सो आई हैव विद मी टुडे नंदिनी एंड स्मिता। दोनों की इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं करा रही, दे आर वेरी पॉपुलर एंड स्पेशली ट्विटर पे तो दोनों क्वींस हैं। हाय नंदिनी, हाय स्मिता।
हाय
हाय।
हाय पायल।
अच्छा, जैसे मैंने अभी अभी इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, तो मुझे पहले बात करनी है, तो स्मिता आप शुरू कर दीजिए पहले, कि ये जो सोशल मीडिया की ऑब्सेशन है, स्पेशली इंस्टा की, ये जो ऑब्सेशन है कि आपको व्यूज मिलने, मिलियन व्यूज मिलने, क्या ये सिर्फ इससे जो मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट होता है उसके लिए कर रही हैं, या अटेंशन सीकिंग है? क्या है? सम कनेक्शन, कुछ कनेक्शन मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन।
मैं बहुत इंस्टाग्राम स्टडी करती हूँ बिकॉज ये एक सब्जेक्ट मैं पढ़ाती भी हूँ जिसमें एक पर्टिकुलर मॉड्यूल है कॉल्ड इन्फ्लुएंसर मैनेजमेंट। तो मैं ये सब इन्फ्लुएंसर के जो पेजेस है वो मैं देखती रहती हूँ। इट्स पार्ट ऑफ माय वर्क एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू इट इज वेरी इमोशनली टैक्सिंग। बट जो चीज मुझे बहुत आई वांट टू से कि मुझे बहुत इट्स अ कंसर्निंग फैक्ट कि सबसे बड़े ब्रांड्स, all the big global brands are now hiring the influencers because उनको क्लिक्स चाहिए, उनको लाइक्स चाहिए, उनको लगता है कि, और डेटा भी है, डेटा भी शो करता है कि जितने ये उसमें भी कैटेगरीज है। देयर इज मैक्रो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, somebody who has more than 500 to 10 like 10 lakh followers. Then there is a micro influencer. There are also nano influencer जिसके 20-30,000 फॉलोअर्स होंगे, बट वो अपने पूरे फॉलोअर्स के टच में है, इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, उनकी एक्सेसिबिलिटी भी बहुत ज्यादा है। तभी ये सब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स के साथ जुड़ गए हैं एंड इट इज अ मॉनिटरी ट्रांजैक्शन दोनों का। तो वो कुछ भी करने को तैयार है। तो एक जगह पे मैंने भी कल ही देखा, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर का। वो 2 हफ्ते पहले शी वॉज डूइंग फ्री पैलेस्टाइन में बिजी थी वो। और दो अभी 3 दिन पहले उसने इंडिया के बहुत बड़े कॉरपोरेट के लिए वो एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रही है। मीन्स ये जो कॉरपोरेट्स है जो इनको हायर करते हैं वो भी मुझे आई एम कन्विंस कि ये किसी का बैकग्राउंड चेक नहीं करते कि इन्होंने 10 दिन पहले क्या किया। मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि इन्होंने 2 साल बाद क्या किया, पहले
हम्म।
क्या किया था। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट 10 दिन पहले ये इन्फ्लुएंसर क्या कर रही थी वो भी ये लोग नहीं चेक करते हैं। और पूरा दिन मेरे खुद के स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बता रही हूँ, हम लोग सब एक्स पे है बट ये पूरी जनरेशन इंस्टाग्राम पे है। और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का जो इम्पैक्ट है इन लोगों की लाइफ पे, राइट फ्रॉम व्हाट दे ईट, व्हाट दे वेयर, व्हाट आर द इवन द vitamins जो लोग ये लेते हैं। vitamins की बहुत चर्चा हो रही है मुंबई में, ये शेफाली जरीवाला के डेथ के बाद। कौन विटामिन ले रहा है, कितने विटामिन ले रहा है, कौन गमीज, गमीज का इतना कल्चर है यहाँ मुंबई में। सुबह शाम लोग गमीज ले रहे हैं, पता नहीं किसके लिए। तो ये पूरा लाइफ सुबह से रात तक इनका जो लाइफ है वो टोटली एक पर्टिकुलर, पूरा एक यंग लोगों का एक एक पूरा जमावड़ा है। दे आर गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस और ब्रांड्स इनके पीछे पड़े हैं। माई ओनली कंसर्न इन ऑल दिस इज कि ये हम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के पास जा रहे हैं फॉर हेल्थ इश्यूज, रिलेशनशिप इश्यूज, फूड, लाइफस्टाइल इश्यूज, सब इनो यही कर रहे हैं। तो ये सेलिब्रिटीज का क्या होने वाला है पता नहीं लाइफ में मुझे। बट रिलेशनशिप्स एडवाइस और जिस तरीके से ये कपड़े पहनते हैं, इनकी स्टाइल, और ये फैड्स, एक ट्रेंड्स, मैं एक बता रही हूँ आपको, जो हॉरिबल एक ट्रेंड आया है 2 दिन पहले ही मैंने देखा। क्योंकि क्या होता है, जो यूएस में ट्रेंड आ रहा है ना, वो यहाँ 1 हफ्ते के बाद आता है। तो अभी एक एक ट्रेंड आएगा इंस्टा पे, आई टू से इट ऑल्सो इज वेरी एम्बेरसिंग।
नहीं नहीं,
तो
से
ये
इट।
इन्फ्लुएंसर्स काट देना अगर अब तुम्हें लगे तो, ये इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बड़े बड़े कोई कॉन्सर्ट्स में बैठी है ये लड़कियां, एंड दे आर क्रॉसिंग देयर लेग्स, लेग्स क्रॉस करके बैठी है, फिर दे रिमूव देयर अंडरवेयर,
हम्म।
और वही अंडरवेयर से वो अपने बाल, शी इज डूइंग अ पोनीटेल। और
या
ये सब जगह है अभी। मैंने मैंने 4-5 मेजर प्ले पेजेस पे ये देखा है ट्रेंड, वो आएगा यहाँ पे। तो इट इज लाइक इट्स अ कंसर्न, दिस फॉलोइंग, एंड इवन दीज यंग स्टार्स हु वुड लाइक टू बिकम, अभी जो एक वो लड़की थी 1 हफ्ते पहले, व्हेन शी केम आउट विद दिस हाफ, आई विल आल्सो कॉल इट अ हाफ ब्लैक ड्रेस शी वाज वेयरिंग। इफ यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग, शी इज नॉट, एंड वो फोटोग्राफर्स को उसने बुलाया ही होगा कि पेपराजी को आप
हाँ।
बुला सकते हो, यू हैव अ गुड कनेक्ट, देन यू कैन कॉल द पेपराजी, एंड शी इज नेक्स्ट डे शी इज अटैकिंग द पेपराजी ओन, कि तुम लोगों को देखा नहीं, का मैंने थॉन्ग पहना था, मैंने तो देखा नहीं, बट मे बी आई, माई विथ एज माई आईज हैव बिकम बैड। तो माई कंसर्न इज, आई टेल यू, बिकॉज मैं इन्हीं बच्चों के साथ होती हूँ हफ्ते के 5 दिन, ये पूरा दिन दे आर फॉलोइंग दीज पीपल। I have a huge concern over the impact these influencers are having with this absolutely shocking. There's another terrible thing, but I'm saying you, which is going to come here also. There is this influencer in a एक jug में ना, he's carrying poop and he's throwing it at people in a
Yeah,
tray.
yeah, even I saw, yeah, yeah.
Is going to come here. I'm telling you. So it is utter madness, and I am worried because for all the professors, the students are almost like your kids. But if you're a parent, you should be seriously worried कि हमारे बच्चे कितना टाइम इंस्टाग्राम को दे रहे हैं सुबह शाम।
नंदिनी, आपके क्या व्यूज हैं इसके बारे में? What do you think?
I
Because
think
you're more on Instagram than on FB, and then you're a lot on Twitter.
I'm very not that much on Instagram either. I mean, I probably check it once in 10 days or something like that. I mean, I'm not really on Instagram, but I'm not certainly on Facebook. But, really, these are the perils and the hazards of the time. I don't know whether one should go back so much. Do you remember the time when Rajesh Khanna, how he influenced our lives?
Yeah.
Rishi Kapoor, Zeenat Aman, they were influencers of those times. People were so worried about how Zeenat Aman used to smoke, and how would it impact us. There was no social media, so the reach was limited. But even then, even without social media, you could see even a thelawala used to wear a t-shirt like Amitabh Bachchan. He made those horrific, huge, garish t-shirts so popular, and everybody
Net ones.
and that hairstyle. So influencers have always been there. It has been just how far they penetrate into your life and how far you are willing to let them influence your life. That's my take on it. And जो बुद्धू बेवकूफ उस टाइम भी वो करते थे, उनके बच्चे आज ये भी करते. I mean, it's a way of how you've been brought up, who you see, who are the people you meet, what do you do. Yes, the impact of social media cannot be compared. But this thing that happens there and it comes here has always happened. We lived our lives according to Archie and Veronica and Jughead. We all wanted to eat donuts and hamburgers when, it was, and have Sunday shakes. Narulas came with the Sunday shake. How did we all reach there, to have it? So I look at this as just another stage in our, evolution. Some will cope with it, some will go mad, some will ruin their lives, some will grow out of it. So these things are very, very momentary in a blip in your history of societal evolution. अभी 10 साल बाद कुछ और आ जाएगा, कुछ और हो जाएगा. Yes, you have to see how you protect your children, because it's also, there's a lot happening which you should be scared about. But the fact that this has happened is not new. There will be something like this in another 5 years, something new, something like that in another 10 years. And we just have to be prepared how we want to look after our near and dear ones. But you cannot stop stupid people in any society. They have more influence than the sensible people. That is a fact. And you have to just be prepared and armed to go out and face it. That's my way I look at it.
Sorry, yeah, bolo aap Smita.
This thing here ki as somebody who is on Meta as well as on X and
Yes.
all the time on YouTube, I'm guilty of that. But मैंने देखा नहीं है कि मेटा ने किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर का अकाउंट because of objectionable content or because of racist content, because of content which has violated somebody's privacy, or even throwing poop at women, and there was this one particular influencer who was going around all the public places in Europe and removing her undergarment and
Yes, I've
throwing
seen
it.
that.
She was
Yeah.
all, but I have not seen, or maybe any of our viewers may tell us, has Meta ever suspended an account like this?
Yeah.
X pe to, I mean, at least there is a system that you're reporting.
Okay.
I have, as a matter of, for my own understanding of
Yes.
how Meta is working,
Hmm.
I have reported many profiles
And
this thing, but I have never seen Meta even suspending for a little amount of time, like X pe hota hai na, for 10 days you cannot post or whatever. Meta is absolutely guilty in promoting this, especially these wild things. There was another one influencer who would just go on beating people on the road, and he had millions of views for that. You are just walking, people are walking home, and he just goes and beats them up, and the whole thing is recorded. I mean, I've never seen Meta going after this absolutely,
Yeah. No,
virtually.
I think it's highly disturbing, and I always believe that there is a great encouragement to dumb down society because it keeps us in control. And I find they allow these people to go berserk because it keeps us distracted. We discuss it. Our children might follow, our children might follow it. But I always look at it through a political prism, that those who allow it to happen do it so willingly, and they have a motive to let it happen. Because it's like I always felt for years that Bollywood was a great way to dumb down society. And it played its role in creating stereotypes and in dumbing us down. Uh, and I feel the same way the influencers work to keep us very, very, matlab ki goldfish level attention span rakho, and हमको control में रखो. That is the aim. So I'm not surprised that some people just ignore, reports and this and that, because it probably just serves their purpose.
Another thing, Payal, a lot of students are also looking at, okay, these influencers, but the category called YouTubers, because they are learning many things. So even as a matter of, I don't want to say that I stopped all my students, but I said, "Acha, kya dekhte ho, kya dekhte ho?" And one of these Sundays, my sister laughs at my Sunday ritual. Sunday afternoon, post lunch, I said, "Acha, mujhe aaj dekhna hai ye video." And I'm appalled with, of course, there'll be no name calling here, three professors in wonderful Hindi, but there's these two women who are teaching Indian history and heritage,
Oh, yeah.
geographical content, wearing a sports bra. Only a sports bra, और एकदम नीचे वो mic है. अभी, and this is all 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. अभी, what to do? I mean, seriously, I mean, I again, I'm saying, I don't know Does this concern? Are there any privacy? Are there any settings or whatever? I don't know. Is you and वो तो YouTube का उसने पीछे लगाया भी था. I think once she crossed 100,000 followers, viewers or whatever, subscribers. तो उन्होंने उसने वो जो उसका वो ये भी लगाया था वो that placard. So YouTube is equally guilty of this.
Yeah,
So as of now, it's totally free for all, Payal. We are just concerned, but I don't see much happening, and I really applaud Twitter on this because Twitter is very fast. My own experience, whenever we have reported Twitter, they've been very, very fast.
Very fast, yeah.
Yeah.
Now these girls talk about, especially a lot of women talk about women empowerment views, and then they talk about it on Instagram. But isn't Instagram all about like filters and slay queen captions and ऐसे ही सारा कुछ आता है वहाँ पे. Is this empowerment for them?
No, you know what is Instagram? I just want to tell you, just a bit, Nandini, is that Instagram is a visual medium to promote businesses where the visual aspect of the business is very, very high, which means Instagram is perfect for businesses like fashion, food, lifestyle, travel. It's meant for businesses like that. उधर आके जो सुबह शाम ज्ञान फैल रहे हैं ना, it is not actually meant for that. This hypocrisy of double standards. And the other thing, forget women's empowerment, which is a killer on Instagram, I'm telling you. But people are, again, I'm not going to take names, but so many of these woke liberal journals who get hammered on X because you're going to put something totally stupid, we are going to come after you and we are going to expose you. And all of us are not very active on Instagram. So all इन सब लोगों ने वहाँ वो दुकानें वहाँ खोली है. The interpretation, there is this very, very big liberal woke journalist. उसका, where did you hear this? Oh, I saw it on her Insta. I said, that is her interpretation of the news. But that is not news. Instagram was never meant for news. तो वहां जाके अपनी वोकरी करके, and that is being consumed by the Gen Alpha and Gen Z, and it's unbelievable. Yes, Nandini, you were saying something.
No, I'm basically was talking about the same thing that you're talking. That this is, you always connect with the lowest common denominator, and there are people in every generation who get influenced by this. I'm sure in your generation, there were many people who had to catch the first movie, first day, saw one movie 50 times. So you see, that in those days, that was radical. I mean, वो सुबह ही पहुंच जाती है cinema hall में, और देखो, she watches this film and then she's not doing well in her studies and she's not doing this and she's, every generation has its problems and it caters to the dumbest among us. So I believe that this is also one of those things which have to be looked at like that. Don't you remember in our time, there used to be, I think Simi Grewal used to have an agony aunt column. She used to give you advice on relationships and so on. What is
Shobha had that column, na? Nandini, Shobha also had a column.
Yeah, well, I don't remember Shobha Day's column as much as this agony aunt Simi Grewal. So anybody who comes and tell me, what can you expect? I mean, you just tell me. So these people with a little bit of fame, people become experts at everything. Relationship, science, history, सब में advice दे सकते हैं, सबके मतलब scholars हैं. ये तो हमेशा होता रहा है. आप 2 minute का fame लो and you are an expert in everything. You're given a piece of advice and your opinion on everything. It's a little more daring now. It's a little, there are so many more people now who are vying for attention. Each one's dress and neckline has to go deeper because you need eyeballs. Each one has to be more outrageous. I mean, can you imagine your fame is that you remove your underwear and you leave it in various places? That is your claim to fame. अभी आप बताओ, हम बुद्धू है ना कि we are getting so like horrified at this. I mean, this is like the stupidest possible thing. And if people are getting influenced by it, those people are equally stupid. And this is the kind of people who every society has in plenty. It is the others who have to rise above it and say, this is the fliff and the flam, or whatever they call it, the fluff, and carry on, because they cannot determine who you are as a society. I mean, there's somebody who gives history lessons also with doing her eye makeup, so on. And she says the most
Not
ridiculous
makeup
things.
influencers are unbearable.
हाँ हैं हमारे लिए unbearable
I
है.
watch them because
हाँ.
just
अच्छा देखो, now this
for us
lady
it's
who
work.
removes her underwear and leaves it in various places. Now see, after some time, people will get bored with this. Now she has to think of something much more outrageous to remain in the limelight.
Ponytail is the the outrageous part.
The taking off your panty and tying your pony.
I saw one who in America
Disgusting. I've
leaves
seen
her
it.
underwear
Thanks.
in departmental stores, in behind the milk bottle, behind the अच्छा. हाँ तो अभी उसमें उनको इतना शौक है तो भैया करो. I mean, you tell me, is that your claim to fame? And if it is, then you deserve that bloody underwear on your head.
No, the irony for me is to, we would say that, oh my God, here is an actor. Let's presume that here is an actor. And, this is what he said on Twitter or something many years ago. How can you get this actor as this thing as an ambassador? Don't you do any research? अरे हम लोग वो बात करें यहाँ the agency which is offering this big brand, your brand
that I have a problem.
has not even seen what this person has done in the last week.
But Smita, that seems to be in every sphere of even government, that you have people who speak against the government, are horribly vocal in the most vicious things, and yet they're invited to big seminars by the government. Look at this Zoran Mamdani guy. He was invited by the Indian embassy in America for an event. So it seems that this seems to be a blind sight of most people or agencies who invite people, these PR agencies who are given the job. They don't seem to vet and do their what they're supposed to do, check out their guests. Like that guy who came for that film, festival, that Israeli guy who then spoke all about how horrible that movie was, Kashmir Files. वो इजरायली वाला जो आया था, उसको कैसे बुला दिया? I mean, these are the things.
Film fest पे, हाँ.
Yes, this is what these agencies are supposed to do. Evidently, the influencers are better at their job, but the guys who are supposed to vet them don't seem to know how to do it.
Rajini, they're all vogue in these agencies, I want to tell you. I'm sticking my neck out to say majority of them are totally woke. The only thing they're doing is going on that page, the first page, total number of followers and engagement and rate of engagement. उसके आगे इनको कुछ करना नहीं है इनके बारे में.
So we are dealing with an age at a time. We are dealing with an age and a time where people's attention span is limited, where the dumbest you are, the more celebrated you are, which is, it just makes you think. I think I hate it when people on Twitter say, ignore her, ignore him, don't comment on this. अरे ignore करके तो ये सारे इतने बड़े हो गए. But the thing is, one should keep commenting, give your opinion on the matter, that there will be some person along the way with whom it will resonate, like you're trying to do, like you're telling your students what they should, veering them in the right direction. You have to do that. But this is the hazards of the times we live in.
You know who I like in all this? Who is this influencer who wears these outrageous clothes for the paparazzi every day? That
girl. That girl you're talking about?
Yeah, Muslim girl. I forgot her name.
Muslim girl. Oh God.
She was on a podcast, and she admitted, to this girl in the podcast. She says, "Oh, tell me, you have a PhD in getting views and this and that." And she said it's all about the boob show. She admitted it in a podcast.
It's a business. You're
So
you're selling a
she says
product.
when my likes and following and engagement is
Hmm.
going down,
Hmm. I
I
come out with something.
it's a good show.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
said it. I mean, nothing against her. I mean,
No,
the
honest
best
enough
of
to
her.
admit it. But the
All the
one
best.
thing that has caught my attention in these last few years is that, when I see, for example, celebrities in the West, more in America, you don't see that somehow so much in Europe, is this over sexualizing. You belong, you have a career, you're successful, you marry rich men, and you have a whole trail behind you of other rich men you've married. What I haven't understood, this need to over sexualize yourself, which I find more and more in their life, that the cleavage, the artificial silicon bust lines, which are so obviously fake, the face, the mouth, the lips. इनको किसने बताया कि ये सुंदर दिख रहे हैं या they are looking beautiful? Which society is this?
No, but here I disagree. I mean, the world's richest man just married somebody. It's a
Yeah.
Exactly.
wedding in Italy. If you
Yes.
look at Lauren Sanchez 20
Yes.
years ago, her
It
face,
was
and this
beautiful.
woman,
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say, with due respect to her, she looks like a witch.
Yeah, she did.
But,
Yeah.
but
On a
she
wedding
got
day only,
Jeff
she looked like a
Bezos.
witch.
Yeah.
She got Jeff Bezos for a 50 million. So all of them believe that this is how it is, and all these rich men are getting attracted to this, all these multiple
So
surgeries.
is that the new beauty, the
Yeah,
new
that's the
parameters of beauty? So
I-
then we are out of.
We are out. We are out. But have you seen? I don't want to say this. Just look at now. My God, this podcast is going to be too controversial. My sisters are going to really thrash me. Don't talk too much. No,
No,
have you
please
seen
say
all
whatever
these
you want.
women around President Trump and look at the way they look? Laura Trump. I mean, just look at all of them. Like, look at the
Trump?
5
Sorry?
people around, minus Tulsi Gabbard. Just look at all of them. It's the standard face.
Yeah.
It's
But the Americans always had a very, when
but the
Baywatch
face,
came.
it's all done up faces. I mean, they were all young and good looking, and they have to be in perfect shape because maybe the minus the presidency to Donald Trump would just reject all of them at workplace. But I'm saying that now the faces are so similar.
Yes.
Around this thing.
But,
So, and I think that
America has
face
always
with that
believed.
blonde hair, that those pouted lips and all, that's the look, and they're getting all the men. They're getting all the
America
men.
has always had a Disney World idea of beauty, like how they make these little cartoons with emphasized bust lines, tiny little waists,
Face,
big
yeah.
hips. It's a Disney image. And the US has always been different, say, vis-a-vis America, Europe, if you see, the French women, British women, Germans, Scandinavians, they are very different. America has a different parameters of beauty. And one of the first things which struck me when I went to America and was that what a strange and how misconceived and misplaced was that image. I thought everybody in America was fit, strong, athletic. And because we judge them by the sports illustrated and we judge them by Baywatch. That's how we judged them in those days, in the 70s and 80s. And when I saw the first Americans, I said, humongous big women, always in yellow and pink track pants. And you wondered, like, who is the image they present to the world and who is the real American? And I think they themselves, because they had this image in their mind, the wealthy and the ones in, out in the public eye, feel they have to look like that. Whereas the ordinary American is very different looking. So I wouldn't like to judge society and the world through American eyes. I think they need serious therapy and they shouldn't make the rest of us go mad in the bargain as well.
But you know, you were saying, Nandini, about sexualization, and which is largely come up with the influencers. And
Yes.
I saw something. You guys must be thinking I'm on Instagram all the time, but again, I insist that it is work.
Yes.
So I saw Halle Berry. You know, I mean, I love Halle Berry. She's
Yes.
Oscar winning,
Mm.
and I think she's mid-50s, and now she has done this terrible influencer inspired dance in a
Oh,
two-piece
yes.
bikini.
Yeah.
And everybody is like, oh, what's the problem? I mean, my God, she's got the body. But I'm wondering about her children, because children are all grown up now. And this is cringe in terms of the children. This is
Yes.
what I feel. She had no, I mean, she doesn't need to do that. She's Halle Berry.
Yeah.
Okay. Or
Yeah.
similarly, like what's happening with Britney Spears. I mean, she was a big icon. Even
Yeah, but she was always a little. She was
now
always a
Britney
little.
Spears does this almost semi-naked videos, just
Yeah.
like these influencers. And
Mm.
sometimes I feel that she needs medical help. But it's all going bonkers. These influencers are now influencing even the established, highly successful actors and celebrities all over the world to do all these stupid things, you know.
Okay. Now I'm going to talk about this. Again, it comes under wokeism only. Ma life, ma body. This is a favorite thing with the Gen Z. So, like, why are you objecting? And who are you to dictate? Who are you to tell us what to wear? What do you think about it? How right they are? Or, like, are we really doing moral policing as parents or as aunts? What are.
Aunts.
No,
Ah,
I
even.
This is a very dangerous
deal
word.
with
We
this.
dreaded
Yeah.
our aunts when we were younger.
I deal with this literally at day-to-day basis, because colleges and B schools in Mumbai, we don't allow torn jeans now. It's gone. The whole idea, even I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, the St. Xavier's College principal some years ago. So the thing is, I genuinely believe that at the undergrad level in colleges, it is becoming very difficult, because most of the girls insist now on wearing tube tops, and short skirts, no, very, very short skirts. It's getting difficult, and you know, I empathize with all my colleagues and the people, especially women, who are sitting on these posts, that they have to this thing. The other thing is, there's a lot of industry interaction, and suddenly one day, you know, somebody big in the industry comes in and he wants to look at, and then he sees somebody wearing these really revealing clothes, and you know, he's put off, because he says, my God, my company represents a certain brand and a certain value system, and you know, this thing. So see, my body and all, it's all fine if you're sitting at home earning your money through whatever it is, but if you're working, my body, my life doesn't work most of the time. And they learn. Can I tell you something now? Even I reach a stage कि चलो जाओ internship वगैरह करो, उधर ही पता चलेगा तुम्हारी बॉडी, तुम्हारी लाइफ, तुम्हारा टाइम एंड एवरीथिंग, तो उधर ही उनको पता चलता है. बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो फील दैट द पेरेंट्स हैव गिवन अप. पेरेंट्स कुछ नहीं कर सकते. I'll be very honest, and I empathize with the parents. I know कि they are under attack seriously, but हम भी कुछ ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते as educationist. हमें लगता है कि eventually इनको गिरने दो थोड़ा, एक दो बार, फिर पता चलेगा.
That is the right way to learn. You
Yes.
can't tell. You have to have a lived experience. You want to go out and work like this, and you find that you're being ignored because you don't look corporate enough. Well, then you learn pretty fast and you cover up. So I do feel, that these things are, as I always I'm at the risk of sounding so repetitive. This is the stage where, at every stage, where people push the boundaries and they learn for themselves how far they can push it. Sometimes they learn it, unfortunately, take very risky, lessons from it. Sometimes they learn it more sensibly, but it happens in its own pace. Every generation has gone through its own challenges. And in my time, when you wore a spaghetti top and went, you only wore it in the evening because you were going to select person's house, and you could wear it. You never went in a bus or an auto, or you never walked in the market like that. You didn't.
Where are the jackets nowadays?
Huh?
Where are they?
She's saying, where are the jackets?
Where are the jackets?
No jackets. So nowadays you learned the envelope has been pushed and it has gone further, and people will learn in their own way. I feel that if your home environment is very important, something has happened that always the parents always 2 steps behind. If you remember in university, it was always the most conservative family girls who went wild, right? The ones who came from homes which were more free thinking, more open, they remained on the straight and narrow when they went to hostel and they went to college. But the ones who broke free from their conservative homes really, would shock you with some of the things they did. And then they would go to a conservative life again when they went back home to men they had never met, got married to them or met them once. So this is the same way. The same girls with the same parents 40 years later are committing the same mistakes. The parents don't understand them. The young girls want to show that they are free, they are bold, they are strong, and this is the way they can do it. And then everybody finds their level. And now these children will also have their children who will make them have sleepless nights and make them worry about them. So, yeah, time की बात है,
चलता ही रहेगा,
ज़माने की बात है, ये चलता रहेगा.
But did you read about this? If I'm not mistaken, again, this British girl who has done some kind of a record of sleeping with some hundreds of men,
thousands,
in a month or something.
I don't know. Yeah,
hundreds of men. I saw it guilty on Instagram. And I mean, stories are done on her.
Yes,
there are mainstream media stories on her.
Yes, horrible. That was like, I thought, oh my God, what are you proving and who are you proving it to? There's no shortage of stupid people in this world. But as I said, the stupid people can influence you faster than somebody smart and intelligent. The stupid people always find an audience, always find people who are happy to listen to them.
But I feel these days, the Instagram reels on, showing their cleavage, or that lady was wearing that dress, and she said, I was wearing a thong and all that. Thing. It's come on Twitter also, slowly.
Yes.
Kind of views, even that one astrologer, Nidhi Chaudhary.
Yes.
God, she's always showing her boobs, and then she's telling you, Aaj moon she's sitting like this. And I told her, I said, maybe she doesn't know much about astrology. So ऐसे करके attention divert करती है. I don't know what she does. So this whole Instagram thing is coming on Twitter also.
And she'll have enough followers. She'll have
millions.
You can write every serious thing on God's earth and but she'll get them like that. That is the way.
She wrote na moon is bari pura dikhega, something like that. So one guy replied there, he says, ma'am, kaun se moon ki baat kar rahe ho? I was like, I said, my gosh, she's an astrologer, but she doesn't mind it. So, and she's getting.
What do you mean she doesn't mind it? That's the way.
Her account has got monetized. She's making money out of it. So cool. So maybe
I have to tell you, in this principal of a very elite college of Mumbai, she says, we were just chatting, and she says, Asmita, do you all allow girls to come in a bralette? I said, excuse me, what is this? So it is like it's a bra, but it's almost not like a bra.
Like a t-shirt.
It's like a cross between a sports bra and it's complicated for me.
It's
what are you talking? So they're all coming. We've told them to go home, and then there was a big tamasha.
Yeah.
I said, oh my God, don't. I said, listen, I'm on a holiday. Please don't increase my blood pressure.
Yeah.
So I'm, as I go back to college, in fact, from tomorrow, that's a big thing this year. I've alerted everybody on WhatsApp saying, please monitor for these things. No, we have said we will not allow unless you have jackets. We have to, because our jobs also at the highest level is to find jobs for these people.
Yes.
And why do you
say you have to find jobs for these people? You have to give them all the tools if to find the job. But if they feel that this is what's going to get them a job, that's there. They have to take their chances with it, because you can't
Nandini,
decide what they'll wear. You
spend the
can
last
advise
6 months, we
them.
spend the last 6 months
Yes.
nowadays, and I'm saying this in a podcast, but I'm sure hundreds of professors who are into this like me, we tell them things like, this, like, if you want to go to an office,
Yes.
and
Yes.
a corporate office, a big
Yeah.
IT company, a big digital company, the way your hair is, it's like, I said, you have to tie your hair at some point.
Yeah.
We tell people like this. I
Of course.
have told them, you don't need to buy all these expensive clothes. There are decent clothes, but you have to, if you're wearing a corporate attire, you have to wear, we tell them these things. I'm
No,
sorry,
that's
we are going much beyond.
But do
The
they
last
listen to
6
you?
months,
But
we
do
are
they?
literally grooming them,
No, but Smita, do they adhere to whatever you tell them? You ask them
50%,
to follow? Huh?
50%, 50%.
so those 50%, you reach them. So they
Yeah,
they will.
50% is our success rate.
That's very
It's
good.
come down. It's come down.
Yeah,
It will go
because
down further.
other
Smita
than
is sounding very fed up. And
No, my year starts
you will
from
give up.
tomorrow, and this podcast is happening today. So, and the other thing which everybody is making money, all these young girls, but all is not gloom. So I also want to tell you that I have these two fantastic students, and the only way they are earning fabulous money is by showing basic makeup tricks.
Mhm.
Okay.
And you have no idea how many men are there in this also. Men doing basic makeup and showing you how your faces can glow, and products which are very middle class. You don't need to buy expensive. So in this makeup, fast makeup, hair, thankfully both my students have properly covered, and they are making good money. And it's really helping them. They have decent following on Instagram, and nothing wrong. I mean,
No, why anything wrong?
eventually.
It's fantastic.
I also feel that all is not doomed. Everything is not doomed.
It
And
never
they earn
is.
decent
It
money.
never
They
is.
both are earning decent money, and I'm so proud of them.
See,
And keep on
the
developing
human
this new.
the human species
Yeah.
has, not ever sort of, we haven't as yet died out like the dinosaurs, no, who did not move with the times. So the human species is adaptable, it evolves. The sensible ones will carry it through, and all the ones who are leaving their undies here and there will have their their limited attention and span. How long will she do it? People will get bored. They want the next exciting thing.
No,
So
and all this my body, my choice, liberal,
yes.
especially when the journalism students come, they have these,
Hmm.
they're all watching all these liberal and holding on to their Guardian subscription. I said, I was telling this one, you must be the only person I know now who's still subscribing to the Guardian. It's a mental you become. But chalo, there they will see all these fancy stories about this one, that one. I said, please, after all this, where are you going to be after this course is getting over? Where are you going to work? Are you going to work in London, UK, or India? She said, Mumbai. I said, keep quiet. Shut down this Guardian. Come back to reality. तुमको धारावी में जाना है रिपोर्टिंग के लिए, चुप बैठो. Wear your salwar kameez and go.
Yes, you learn that pretty fast.
एक बारी teasing होगी and they'll learn it. They're going to crib it. They're going to make a big hue and cry about it.
Universities and colleges and all these places are very cocooned. These are safe places. When you step out into the real world and you go to smaller places where you might have to go to work, you meet people from all classes and levels and education systems. You learn yourself, and if you don't learn, you get left behind. So it's a very small, very short period when you can go completely berserk and think you're breaking every societal rule, but अपने आप अपनी जगह पे आ जाते हैं लोग बड़ी जल्दी,
So now we're going to, two topics are left. One is now, the second last one is patriarchy. And then we're going to talk about victimhood. Huh? So let's talk about patriarchy. I've seen girls who say, why should I learn cooking? I've heard a lot of my friends' daughters saying, he should also know how to cook. Okay, fair enough. But they'll talk about patriarchy all the time, but they don't mind their mother in the kitchen doing all the household chores. They'll, the mother doing everything doesn't come under patriarchy कि father क्यों नहीं कर रहे. पर अपने लिए they have to, there's some double standard है, hypocrisy. What do you think, Nandini? This whole patriarchy thing आजकल जो शुरू हुआ है.
Payal, these things can't be generalized. Every home, every family is so different. It's the things that you have seen at home, what your parents have shown you, what your mother has shown you, father has shown you, that form your ideas. If a girl doesn't want to be like her mother, like say, if the mother was always in the kitchen and the father didn't help, maybe she doesn't want that for herself. Now, how does she talk about it? Sometimes the language is just not appropriate, but people
Yeah.
might want to say, well, I don't want this in my life. I would like a man who does as much. If we both work, then we both need to contribute towards the home, which is fair enough.
No, but
right?
there's a lot of rebellious tone and a rebellious. What I see on Instagram, I see these reels.
We don't judge life by Instagram. Tell me how many people.
No, but this is why. No, I'm not judging by Instagram, but you generally. How did I come to know this patriarchy? इतना सुनने को मिल रहा है आजकल. All the time, girls are talking about it.
No, not all, see, all the time, girls on Instagram. So let's
even overall also Gen Z है. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि 100 की 100% कर रहे हैं, but 75% girls are talking all the time about patriarchy. They are talking. What do you
what
think?
is such a defined patriarchy?
Like, how do there's this rebellious tone to it.
So can I say something in this?
Maybe I'm not able to explain.
I feel, this is what I feel, that because of all these reels, and suddenly you will see there are these funny reels of couples making fun of each other. Then there are reels of the husband. These this guy who's like extremely like a fitness freak guy comes home from work and of course suddenly takes off his shirt and starts cooking, and then he shows his dish. Of course, his shirt is off, and my one student said, "Oh, how nice." I said, "Yeah, but this is a reel, okay?" So I think more than the patriarchy, the problem with most of the girls today, because of too much of social media, they want their husband to be a friend, a confidant, a soulmate, a therapist, a cook. ये सब एक साथ होने वाला नहीं है life में.
Understanding, compassion.
If you are
वो तो
dating,
आप कह रहे हो आपकी उम्र में. You are saying that today.
No, I'm sorry. I was little.
But Nandini, हमारे टाइम पे भी हम ये सारी इतनी सारी conditions
हमारे टाइम में भी हमको सब कुछ चाहिए था. Maybe we didn't say it like that. We wanted somebody who was empathetic. We wanted somebody who we could talk to.
ये thoughts ही नहीं आए मेरे तो mind में.
No, I'm saying what, No, I'll tell you what, because of all these. I said, so when you are dating, even in middle class families today, I come from a very typical Maharashtrian middle class family from Shivaji Park, which is very heart of the Shiv Sena, actually. But my family now, which is spread all over the world, the girls are dating and then, whatever. So I said, when you reach that stage that you feel now it's gone beyond dating, you're serious about each other and you would like to live in or whatever, then you should be talking these things, And you are not going to get neither the guy is going to get a perfect girl. You're not going to get a perfect guy. There has to be a middle path, and that middle path will always be push and pull.
Yes.
This thing, but there is
you learn that. You learn that in time. Learn that in time. That this is not what in our times we used to read the Mills and Boons book.
Yeah.
We thought that we will find somebody like that.
For me, it was romance. Romance is the big thing.
Nandini, even if you don't find anyone. No, my only thing is that I have a cousin who's extremely, what can you say, successful, good looking and all. Somehow she feels that she's at a very senior position and she says, I've gone on dates, I've gone on blind dates. She's not found anyone. And now she's very, very happy with, we are also giving her that space that she's fine and we don't need to push her and say, my God, you are living all by yourself. In a Western country and you don't have, you don't have a partner, which is fine according to me. Even if you don't find also, it's fine.
Yeah.
You know,
But
ऐसा
Nandini, in
कुछ
our
नहीं
time,
है
I think
कि
money was not the criteria, but today's girls,
No, please.
was money the criteria?
Of course. Look, I have this problem with people who look back with nostalgia at old times. We had a dowry system also.
No, no, I'm
We
talking about
had
our
harassment.
society. I'm not
We
talking
had
about what used to happen
harassment
in the
because of
villages.
dowry. We had harassment because of dowry. We have had cousins and friends who have had miserable lives, early married lives, because of harassment. Ki काफी नहीं मिला, इतना नहीं दिया, शादी नहीं बड़ी
No,
थी.
no, no, no.
That
I'm
is all
talking about
money.
yes.
That is all money.
Yeah,
That is
but
not
I'm talking
love.
about these girls. I like that confidence also. Like the fundas are very clear. Like Smita, the other day we were talking, and you said you met one girl, and she said the guy, and she comes from a middle class background, and she said the guy should earn at least 5 lakhs a month. That's her
No,
criteria.
this is a trend. This is another trend I see, and I was horrified. They go on Instagram and says, "How much? If anybody wants to marry you and date you, how much that person should
I
earn?"
saw that.
I'm a very expensive girl, so he has to earn 5 lakhs.
Yes.
5
See,
lakhs से
I'll tell
वो
you
ऐसे ही
something.
पड़े
We
हुए
have
See,
लगते हैं.
started.
fundas are clear, and we are finding. I am to like we
No,
are shocked
we
about.
have started. There is a platform where you can talk, where you can speak, where you can broadcast, and people are taking advantage of it. In our time, when they were looking for boys for you, you told them very sweetly that I would like a home where they have a cook, and I don't want to cook because I don't know how to cook. And people used to look for only sons because then they would have the property. I mean, we have been there, done that. You know this thing, वो हाँ कि वो बोल रही है इंस्टाग्राम में कि मुझे 5 लाख चाहिए, कोई बात नहीं. हम लोग अपनी मासी बुआ को सब बताते थे कि थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए. मैंने मतलब कि सब्जी और बाल्टी पानी की उठाना नहीं है.
See,
You know,
that's an
हाँ,
extreme case. Huh?
no. Why? Everybody has their own boundary. You might say, I don't want to carry a balti up to my barsati. The other person might say, I want a lift up there. The third person might say, I want to own the barsati. So everybody had their own level of what they wanted. Yes, we didn't have Instagram. We couldn't sit there and say, I want 5 lakhs a month, or I want this bag or that bag. We didn't know those bags existed. But in our own way, we wanted a solitaire. We wanted this. We hoped that we would get a holiday overseas. And everything was also in the same way as materialistic as it is today.
So maybe these days kids are more vocal. So that's why we are all like flabbergasted and we are like all.
Absolutely. I mean, there's a saying in Punjabi, Munde de kursi mez dekh ke aao. What kind of, how does he live? Where does he live? Go and check his furniture. Kursi mez used to know. Something like that they said. Why did they say that? You go and check कैसे रहते हैं, कहाँ रहते हैं, किसका घर है.
Nandini, don't you think that our parents used to think like that? But did we think like that when we were in college? I don't think so.
Did we protest? No, mom, don't look for someone with money.
No, but like I've not heard my parents saying कि वो कितने कमाता है और क्या है. Like
You don't look.
No, but when we are saying this, because I have not come across parents. हाँ, but lot of people used to say लड़का क्या करता है? अरे उनकी बड़ी बड़ी कोठी है. I remember now. People talk instead of talking about the boy. कि वो लड़का क्या करता है?
कितने भाई बहन हैं? अच्छा, गाड़ी है? कितनी है? सब होता था. अभी हम मतलब don't forget so soon, you know.
No, but it's just that we were not vocal ना, so हमें इतना अजीब लग रहा है.
It's just a different level. It's just a different way of expressing it. There are different platforms. It's more open. People are not ashamed or bashful about it. Huh? They're more forthcoming. You know, one thing I have to tell you, I find something which I don't know about today's generation because I don't have such young nieces, but I found my son's generation, which is like, say, older than this, very honest, very open, which we weren't in our generation. We hoped for everything, but we never.
Fundas are clear.
Yes. This generation has probably gone a little too far because there's so much plentiful around them.
Yeah.
We didn't have that plentifulness. We didn't have the imagination to understand what we could get, what we could have. हमको पता ही नहीं था. हाँ? हम लोग एक ट्रिप बाहर, हमारा कोई अंकल जाता था, हम उसको रैंगलर जीन्स बोलते थे लाने के लिए. ठीक है ना? तो हमारा जमाना अलग था.
अलग था.
So, actually, I don't fear this. I just feel that this is a time and a place. It has to happen. People are
It's just a
talking about
phase. It's just a phase.
it's a generation. The next generation will have something which will shock us and we won't even be able to talk about it. You know what I mean? Each
Smith-
generation.
Smita's dealing with them day to day. She's dealing with them.
Yes.
So she's more like, she's feeling very disappointed and, इसको लग रहा है क्या
I
हो
feel
गया है?
no. I think the only thing which is just too much in this generation, all across, I feel this age rather, is tremendous peer pressure. I
Mhm.
mean, I really admire the parents today because
Yeah.
the kind of things they're dealing with our parents. Like
Absolutely.
I'll give you an
Absolutely.
example of a summer holiday. All my summer holidays were with my mama's house in Pune. I mean, I to remember at least till the time I was 10th standard, I used to go to Pune or maybe Nasik where my father was from. But I don't remember going to any of these fancy places ever on holiday. And then, they say, oh, Baba, this one has gone to Japan to see, the cherry blossoms.
Hmm.
My friend who lives in the eastern suburbs, he said, वो eastern suburb में एक रास्ता है, वहां है cherry blossom, मैं तेरे को लेके जाऊंगा वहां पे. So can you imagine? Because people are traveling,
Yes.
people are going to all these parties, the dinners, the pictures, the Instagram accounts of your cousins and sisters and friends could be of a great misery for you. I'm telling
The
you.
only
वो
thing
देख के
I
लोग
find
depression में जाते हैं.
The only
हाँ,
thing
look.
that I find about this generation which scares me कि
Yeah.
हम लोग ना जो हम चाहते थे, जो हमारे पास था, we used to keep quiet about it.
Hmm.
This is a generation which flaunts it.
Yeah.
I find that, and they have to keep up with each other a lot because everybody's flaunting it. So your happiness depends upon like how much can I show. Now, I come from a generation where my grandfather told me, so that means his generation. He told me, when you have money, don't show it. When you don't have money, don't show it. Right? So you live this life which is balanced, that you don't have the good time friends when you have the money, and all your friends don't leave you when you don't have the money because they do. So, you learn to be in a steady way of living, which somehow I think some of the parents, my generation, because these people are your generation's children. I mean, we're talking about, say, our younger sisters or brothers' children, what we are talking about today. I think we have not imparted that to our children, that you don't flaunt, and my generation believed in nazar, which they don't believe in. So
Yeah.
it's a evolutionary thing of society with plentifulness which comes in, and then you want more and more and more, and then you show how you got it. Then the other person feels unhappy because they don't have it, and your life depends on how many people like that post of yours. So
हाँ.
we have
But
Stress le-
even
stress
like
होता है.
we are four sisters and we live in different parts of the world.
yes,
And the entire Gen Z and Gen Alpha, they
yes,
said, "Oh my God, we perhaps meet once a year because everybody has schedules and all, and we meet and even the husbands are and the kids, they are like, oh God, abhi full. What do they call it? Kabhi Kushi Kabhi Gum hone wala hai idhar, because we cry." When we meet, we cry. When we are eating, we are sometimes suddenly somebody's crying. When we leave, it's a total. And my nephew says, "What is it?" I said, "We can't express it, because we are all getting old and we are in different. But we don't know how when are we going to meet." And he said, "Ye kya hai? This I only saw this in Karan Johar movies." I can't understand. I just got my, and he's happy that he got his iPhone and which
Right.
Masi got for him. He's happy with all that. I said, but ये क्या है? And then the husbands are saying, हमसे कुछ गलती हो रही है क्या तुम लोग? ये क्या? We can't ऐसे जैसे तुम लोग Instagram explain नहीं कर पाते हो ना, वैसे ये हम नहीं explain करते. You know,
No, this
that's
generation they
our
hide their emotions. They hide their emotions.
yeah, they hide their
This
emotions.
generation hide. हाँ. चलो जी, सारी डिस्कशन हो गई. नंदिनी ने बहुत अच्छी तरह मेच्योर्ड वे में समझाया. Smita is dealing with this day to
Yeah.
day. She's
My
dealing with
day,
it. She
my
was
year
not looking
starts.
very convinced when Nandini was saying, "ये हम करते आ रहे हैं, this we've been doing it," and ये because इसको अभी लग रहा है कि इसको आपका क्लास
No, my year
जाना है,
starts
तो
from
she's going to have
tomorrow.
another
So
shock का कोई और shock.
I said my year starts from tomorrow. So
So you keep us posted, okay? You better keep us posted.
yes,
क्या
yes,
हुआ
I
है?
will.
ये Gen Z क्या कर रही है? Thanks,
Um,
girls. Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye.